No need to fear turns. We're gonna show you how to bring it on. Hello, this is Cheryl Ale, founding director of RPM, Revolutionary Principles of Movement. I am teaching dancers and teachers to be the best that they can be. This is ballet for everybody. After all, this is what we do. I'm going to show you how to be a better turner. Oh, it's like such a relief in my heart to know that you're going to get these tips that really do make a difference in your dancing. Remember, practice makes perfect. This is about how to improve your pirouettes. This is about rewinding your energy and having that continuous flow of energy in a centripetal and centrifugal force. I am here with Adriana, professional dancer with Ballet Palm Beach. We are going to do one continuous combination. Chaîné, 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 fourth pirouette, and chaîné, 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 fourth pirouette, right? There's a piece of that where I know you want to stop along the way because it gets scary because you are in it. You are really in it, and that's called the rewind and the energy. And it's like a top. When you take a top and you pull the string, and the tighter and faster you pull it, the faster it spins, and the longer it stays in its equilibrium in the center of its balance. So the tighter you can keep it, Adriana, the better off we'll be. Let's try this. We're gonna go chaîné, 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 fourth pirouette. Here we go, and chaîné, 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 fourth pirouette, and chaîné, 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 fourth pirouette, and chaîné, 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 fourth pirouette, and fabulous. Chaîné, 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 fourth pirouette, and fabulous. Lovely. That was fabulous. Now, this helps them. This sound. Chaîné, 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 fourth pirouette, and chaîné. It helped you because you know why? This distracts her and her fear. Because there's a little bit of fear that goes into that I'm not going to come out of it. That was spectacular. If this is your first time to the channel, we would love it if you subscribe just right here. The channel is all about helping you dance better. It's both for you, the teacher, and the students. And again, hit that subscribe button and we will see you next time.